There's been big questions about the role of software in an AI future, but it's important to understand that the constraint of actually getting AI to do useful stuff isn't the AI itself, it's the data it needs to do the task. So I think all these people saying that AI is going to replace software are missing the massive advantage construction platforms like Procore have over trying to use ChatGPT or Claude generically. So if I want AI to do any sort of task like prepare an inspection and test plan or prepare an estimate for my project, we're always going to run into the problem that it's not going to have the necessary background information to do the task. So I think about, for example, for this project, if I want AI to write our inspection and test plans, it needs to know a breakdown of the different construction activities. It needs the client specifications. It needs the drawings. It needs any product specifications where you're doing. Might even need our project work breakdown structure. And realistically, you'll probably even need more data than that. You'll need all this background information and context because yes, you can ask AI to do stuff generically, but at the end of the day, generic inputs give you generic outputs and you'll have to do some exercise and tailor it. The massive advantage platforms like Procore have in this age of AI, shall we say, is that they're a huge system of record, meaning within the platform is all your previous data, all your project templates, all this information, and it can use this as context for tasks AI will perform. Your data is already there and it's easily accessible, which is the massive headache you'll find with using platforms like Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini. And obviously, this is where the whole industry is going. And there's a startup called DataGrid that was actually recently acquired by Procore, which basically is a tool that allows you to connect all these different sources of construction data. So again, it's just this whole direction everything's going where having access to structured, accessible data is how you actually get the most out of AI. It's not necessarily about having the smartest or the best model. It's about the data the model has access to.